What are we doing?
Taking a nap.
Waiting for what?
Oh, waiting to check in. Got 20 minutes, so.
Cool. Hey, what are we doing?
I'm trying to find a scooter.
Golf route to find some scoots so we can scoot a boot. I thought hurricane season was over. Where are we going to get breakfast?
I don't remember.
You don't know?
Oh, Jesus. Careful.
I'll set on the coffee.
Trying to figure out where to go during a hurricane.
During a hurricane.
I think we should go right into it.
Right into the hurricane? We're going to be stuck in the room. It's alright though, because we got drinks. We got lots of drinks. We got food. We'll just get drunk and get fat today in our lazy beds. Hopefully we can go out. What's up, YouTube? Guess what? I just ran into a celebrity. Oh my god, it's Jackie LaRock. Look at how divine she's looking. Jackie, what are you doing out here in Providence, Rhode Island, you know?
Minding my business.
Girl, you gotta work it. Walk a little ahead.
Brewski.
Yeah. And then we're gonna go drink more and play video games. And then something else.
That's where the.
That's the Murphy's Pub, yeah.
Shout out to Murphy's Pub.
Hey, explain what happened. Explain what happened.
Al slipped in dog shit.
We think it was dog shit. I'm not sure
We
if it
hope
was
it
dog
could be
shit.
human. Unsure.
Uh,
Still have to do a taste test.
got a little on my toe. Taste test.
Thank you.